Hi Jane. How are you?
I'm fine, Helen. You?
I'm good. Feeling a bit tired.
Why are you tired today?
City noise keeps me awake.
Oh no, that sounds stressful.
Yes, I need a break.
A break sounds really good now.
I want to leave town soon.
Where do you want to go?
Somewhere quiet, green, and peaceful.
Like a beach or countryside?
The countryside sounds really nice now.
Have you been there recently?
Not for many months, sadly.
What do you miss about it?
I miss trees, flowers, fresh air.
I understand. Nature feels so healing.
Exactly. I want that again.
Do you have a plan?
Not yet. Just some thoughts.
Will you stay in hotel?
No, I want a cottage.
A small cottage sounds very cozy.
Yes. With trees all around.
Do you know any places?
No, I want to search online.
I can help you look.
That would be so nice.
What's your perfect place like?
Small, quiet, near some meadows.
What are meadows, Helen?
Meadows are wide open grassy fields.
Oh, I love those too.
I want to take pictures there.
Are you good at photography?
I just started last week.
New hobby? That's really exciting.
Yes, my birthday gift was special.
What did you get exactly?
A new camera from my sister.
Wow. That's a great gift.
Yes, I love it already.
Have you taken pictures yet?
Only in my small backyard.
I'm sure countryside will inspire more.
That's why I want to go.
I want to come too.
Really? You like nature trips?
Yes. I love green places.
Then let's go together, Jane.
Perfect idea. We'll have fun.
We can rent a cottage together.
I'll check prices and places tonight.
Let's go next weekend maybe.
I'll take off work Friday.
Great, I'll plan food then.
Can we cook at cottage?
I hope so. Let's check.
I'll look for kitchens included.
Thanks. I'll bring some snacks.
I'll bring drinks and fruit.
What else should we pack?
Comfortable clothes and walking shoes.
Yes, for walking in meadows.
And don't forget your camera.
I'll keep it around my neck.
Do you know how to use it?
A little. I watched videos online.
Practice makes perfect, you know.
I'll take hundreds of photos there.
That will be so fun.
I want morning and sunset pictures.
The light will be so beautiful.
I also want flower photos too.
Wildflowers bloom in spring, right?
Yes, and spring is here now.
What about animals or birds?
I'll try to capture them too.
Do you like animals, Helen?
Yes. I love peaceful farm animals.
Maybe we'll see sheep or cows.
That would be a perfect moment.
You can frame those pictures later.
I want to hang them home.
A nature wall in your room.
Yes. It'll remind me daily.
I can help decorate too.
This is getting so exciting now.
I can't wait for our trip.
Let's also bring some music, okay?
Yes, for car ride and evening.
I'll bring a speaker too.
Can we make a playlist together?
Sure. Happy and soft songs only.
I'll add some favorite classics too.
Are you good at directions, Jane?
Not really. Let's use GPS.
Yes, let's not get lost.
Do we need to book early?
Yes, cottages fill up quickly now.
I'll check for available dates tonight.
Let's stay 2 nights, maybe 3.
Yes, more time to relax there.
We can also have a picnic.
That's a lovely idea, Helen.
Under a tree with sandwiches.
And juice, fruit, maybe cookies.
We'll take pictures of that too.
I'll wear my best picnic dress.
I'll wear my flower shirt.
This is sounding like a movie.
A calm, sweet weekend movie story.
With laughs, food, and many pictures.
I'll bring a small notebook too.
Will you write poems there?
Maybe, or simple thoughts about nature.
I want to draw something too.
That's great. We'll create art together.
Nature helps the heart and mind.
It really helps me breathe better.
Yes, city life can feel heavy.
Exactly, I need this break badly.
Then we'll make it special, Helen.
Just us, nature, and good vibes.
And beautiful quiet nights, finally.
I hope we see stars too.
Yes, stars shine brighter in countryside.
Maybe we'll see some constellations too.
Do you know star names, Helen?
Just a few like Orion's belt.
That's a fun name, really.
I'll download a star map app.
We'll learn as we gaze up.
It's going to be magical, Jane.
I'm already packing in my mind.
Same. I'll make a checklist soon.
I'll bring my cozy sweater too.
Nights may get chilly, good idea.
We'll sit outside and drink tea.
I'll bring my favorite herbal one.
Let's toast to our little escape.
Yes, a peaceful break from noise.
Nature is the best therapy ever.
I agree, more than anything else.
So, what's left to plan now?
Just booking and final packing list.
I'll text you options tonight, okay?
Perfect. I'll check and reply quickly.
Do you have a travel bag?
Yes, my green weekend backpack.
I'll bring my polka dot one.
That sounds super cute, Jane.
Thanks. I love travel accessories.
Me too. Packing is part fun.
Yes, like dreaming before it happens.
It makes everything feel more real.
I'm going to sleep happy tonight.
Me too. I feel relaxed already.
Nature trips really do something magical.
They give peace we can't explain.
They remind us to slow down.
To listen to birds and trees.
To walk with no rush anywhere.
To smile at flowers and breeze.
That's the life I want sometimes.
Me too, simple and calm days.
We'll make these days count, Helen.
I'll save all pictures and memories.
And tell stories when we're back.
Everyone will want to go next.
Maybe we'll plan another trip again.
Yes. Maybe every season, why not?
Spring, summer, fall, even winter trips.
Imagine snow in the countryside, Jane.
That would be beautiful and quiet.
We'd need warm clothes and tea.
And maybe a fire in cottage.
That sounds like a holiday movie.
We're planning ahead already, how funny.
But it's fun to dream ahead.
Yes, dreaming keeps life so colorful.
Thank you for joining this plan.
I'm happy we're doing this together.
Trips are better with true friends.
Always. We'll talk and laugh lots.
And take breaks under big trees.
With no phones, just good company.
Just nature, music, and tasty food.
I'll bring my sketchbook too.
I can't wait to see drawings.
I can't wait for your photos.
Let's keep them in one album.
Yes, and write little captions too.
2 girls and a peaceful escape.
Best trip ever, starting with dreams.
And ending with peace in heart.
I'm excited for this journey, Helen.
Me too, Jane. Let's go soon.
Nature, here we come, together happy.